Lava fountains from the western fissure vent in the Palma crater wall, at Kilauea summit during the ongoing eruption. The shaking at the end of the video is due to strong wind gusts moving the tripod. This video clip was recorded on October 10, 2021, from the southern crater rim. The eruption continues in Palma crater, at the summit of Kilauea. This video shows the dominant fountain at the west vent, from two different angles, as well as the smaller founaining source emerging through the lava lake. Low lava fountains near the southeast edge of the main island in the Palma lava lake, during the ongoing Kilauea summit eruption. One of the small, less than 5 meters or 16 feet, fountains has built a cone on the edge of the island. Occasional spatter is visibly ejected from the vent at the top of the cone, while the main fountain is directed laterally onto the lava lake surface from within the grotto that it formed near the base of the island. This video clip was recorded on October 10, 2021, from the southern crater rim. Lava continued to flow slowly from a volcano that erupted in Spain's Canary Islands off northwest Africa, but the head of the regional government said Monday that he expected no injuries to people in the area after some 5,000 were evacuated. Lava was flowing on the island of La Palma toward the sea, moving at 2,300 feet per hour, according to the Canary Islands Volcanology Institute. The lava was moving in two streams through a mostly unpopulated area, Canary Islands Government Chief Angel Victor Torres told SER Radio. Some 20 isolated houses were destroyed,